Hi, I'm Sinat, and I'm doing the traditional Palm Sunday children's message where we tell the story of the Passion Week of Jesus using the folding of the palms into a cross. And here we go. This is Jesus riding tall and proud on the donkey, on the colt of a donkey, as he rides into Jerusalem and the crowds yell, "Hosanna." But by the end of the week, Jesus will be bent down in prayer at the Garden of Gethsemane, where he will be arrested. And once he is arrested, they will take him to Pilate, and Pilate will send him to Herod, and Herod will send him back to Pilate, where the crowds will yell, "Crucify him." And they will. They will crucify Jesus, hang him high on the cross, and there he will die. And he will be laid low in a tomb. And then the whole world waits. And on that third day, Jesus will rise again, ascend into heaven, where he will wrap his loving arms around us and hold us tight. And that's the story of Jesus going from Palm Sunday to Easter morning in the folding of the cross. I wish you a blessed week and a happy Easter.